Alright.
I'm pretty sure it's recording. Hold on.
God, you know how to operate.
Yeah,
How do you bring yours?
Mine's dead.
I don't have one.
Ready?
Well, hands in motion. Okay. Breathe in and out. Okay, now. Now stop. Close your eyes. Ow! Okay. In motion.
Oh, you should try this.
Oh my. She tried to make me do this on my garage floor.
That'd be painful.
I was like, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. I don't want to do that.
Haley, you seem very relaxed.
I was.